Welcome back, you guys. Today we are smashing a microwave. And look how far it is already.
Let's go. Guys, who's coming?
That was a microwave. Don't hit it yet.
Landon, you coming? Oh, it's part.
You
guys gonna go help?
His voice is starting to drive me nuts.
Okay, you guys ready? Almost. This is the top. Or no, this is the back of it.
You can have it right now.
The busted it open. I did all of this part. I did all of that. And
Okay, ready?
not yet.
We're using this hammer.
That hammer.
It's kind of old though.
That hammer to destroy that. Should I go first?
Sure.
Yeah.
Actually, I'll go first. I'll go second.
I'm second.
Okay,
No,
Tegan's in this video too. Tegan, if you want to say hi to him. Hi.
And I'm gonna hit the microwave
And also-
second. I'm gonna hit the microwave second, then Tegan's gonna hit the microwave third. Okay, let's go. Go.
Oh, did you show them the top?
The top. Yeah.
We got a big hole there. Ready?
Ready.
It might be loud, so you guys might want to cover your ears. But it's gonna be, it's not gonna be that loud for you guys because it's on the camera.
Yeah, but pretty loud for
Might
us,
not.
though. Yeah, just
What
go.
about- Wait.
Right here.
Jeez, dude. You're good.
Wait, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Leave it there.
Look at it.
Look.
Watch.
It's not. Tegan's not listening that well.
Why would you say that in a video, Owen? You just
Okay, don't listen to Tegan.
keeping that up.
Okay, now it's my turn.
My turn to hit it.
You guys want to see the damage? Yeah, it's hard to get out. You want to see the damage? Okay, here. Watch. Which side should I use? Should I use this side or this side? Yeah, subscribe.
I
Subscribe.
don't want
if
to
you-
use this side.
Here. Okay, where should I hit it? Should I hit it like right here? And guys, if you're doing this, do not hit this.
Yeah.
You can get electrocuted from that.
Yeah, look at it. We're going to probably bust that off tomorrow.
No, tonight we're going to bust this thing off. Huh?
No, you're not.
Hey, we should bust
You guys want to see the inside of it? I'm just trying to get that thing off. Oh, we got it off.
Oh, man.
It's dirty inside. It used to be our neighbors. Okay, and this one, you hit it right here. Okay, where is he gonna hit it?
Right here.
Right there. Okay. Oh.
Okay, that busted it.
Oh, look at that big hole. You guys want to see it? Hang on. Look, right here. Watch out. It's a big one. Lion made this in 2 hits. About 2 hits. About 2. Okay, Tegan's turn.
He's gonna...
Ooh.
Is he gonna get it? Oh, probably like the bottom. Get the bottom.
Like right here. Bottom, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Make some scars
Nice.
on that one.
Last one.
Nice.
Owen.
Scars.
Last one.
Last
This
one
thing
for all
is-
3 of us.
Last one.
Junkie.
What?
Ready? Might try to hit this side, or maybe this side. This side. That side, yeah. flip it over here.
This side.
So it's on its side now. So it's tall.
That's enough. I think. Yep.
Okay,
No,
one more.
I'm holding it.
Video. When the hammer actually
Okay, enough. Done.
And guys, it's getting pretty dark out. It's getting pretty dark out.
we're gonna be.
The lights are on. And it's pretty dark out. And so,
And guys, I'm actually breathing on my finger.
thing. Dun, dun.
I'm breathing on my finger right here.
Well, please subscribe if you like this video.
So, if you like this video, please subscribe, and bye.
Me too.